Welcome to Career Campus Pro YouTube channel. My name is Kiran Baburaj. In this video, we will cover the most common SQL interview questions and provide the expert answers. Let's master the SQL together. Let's start with the basics. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. It is the standard language for managing relational databases. It is essential for data professionals across all industries. SQL primary functions include creating the database objects like tables and views, querying data with select statements, inserting new records, modifying the existing data with update, and removing the data with delete. Next question is, what are primary and foreign keys? A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. It must contain unique values and cannot be null. In the example, ID column serves as the primary key in both tables. A foreign key establishes relationship between tables by referencing the primary keys. In our employees table, department ID is the foreign key that references the ID column in the department table. This creates a relationship between employees and their department. Moving on to the next question, what are DDL and DML? The SQL commands are categorized into different types. The two key categories are DDL and DML. DDL or data definition language is used to define and modify the structure of the database objects. This includes the commands like create, alter, drop and truncate. DML on the other hand stands for the data manipulation language. It is used to manipulate the actual data within these objects. These include select for querying, insert for adding new records, update for modifying, and delete for removing the records. The next popular question is, what are DCL and TCL? DCL or data control language manages the database access permissions. Commands like grant, revoke, control, who can access or modify the data. This is essential for database security. TCL or transaction control language manages database transactions to ensure the data consistency. Commands like begin, transaction, commit, rollback help to maintain the data integrity. Next popular question is, what is the difference between were and having? So the were clause filters individual rows before any grouping occurs. It is applied directly to the table data. The having clause on the other hand filters the groups after group by clause has been applied. It is often used with aggregate functions like count, sum or average. This allows filtering based on group properties rather than the individual rows. Our were clause filtered employees with salaries greater than 4,000 before grouping by department. This resulted in total salary of each qualifying department. The having clause filtered after grouping, showing only the departments with a total salary exceeding 9,000. In this case, only one department qualifies with 2 employees and a total salary of 9,500. Understanding the join operation is crucial for SQL interviews. Let's look at the inner and left join. An inner join returns only the records that have the matching values in both tables. It's like finding the intersection between two sets. A left join returns all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. If there is no match in the right table, you will see null values to those columns. So here are the result of our join operations. The inner join shows all employees matched with their departments. Every row has both employee and department information. The left join includes all employees, even those without a matching department. Notice how Mike appears with a null department name showing he is not assigned to any existing department. A similar question is, how do right and full joins work? A right join does the opposite of a left join. It returns all the records from the right table and matching records from the left table. This is useful when you want to ensure all records from the right table are included. A full join returns all records when there is a match in either table. This is an essential combination of left and right joins. This ensures no data is lost from either tables. In the result, we can see all departments including HR, which has no employees, of the right join. This shows a null in the name column with an employee count of 0. The full join result shows that all employees and all department with null values where there is no match. Notice the HR department with no employees is listed with the status of no employee. Congratulations! You have covered the fundamental SQL concepts that frequently appear in technical interviews, from understanding different types of SQL commands to mastering the various join operations. You are now better equipped to tackle the SQL interviews. Good luck on your SQL interview. Thank you.